everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today I'm here inside Dab Point, owned by Richmond American community. And today we are going to tour the Sarah plan. Base price is $580,000, 3 to 4 bedroom, 2 to 3 baths, and 2150 square feet. And the house behind me, this is the Sarah plan. I'm going to show you how gorgeous this house is. So welcome to the Sarah plan. As soon as you walk in, you will see this nice flooring and an open foyer. And on this side right here, I'm going to show you guys the bedrooms. This is the first bedroom. Nice space. They install that ceiling fan. Like what I said, this is a model home, so not everything that you see here are included. It's part of the upgrade. The walls. And now let's go check the shared bathroom. Love the flooring. Comes with single vanity, tub and shower combo. Very nice. And now this is the other bedroom. A good space with the standard closet. I'm going to show you guys what's on the right side. This is the coat closet, and next to it across is the two-car garage. Unfortunately, it's locked, so I cannot show you guys. Right, this area is the powder room. Love the wallpaper. And this room right here, this is the extra space, which is the den or an office. They also installed the ceiling fan. And there's a 4-degree light. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the open layout area. It's so spacious, perfect for entertaining. Very nice living room. Lots of windows. I love the couch. Very neat. That white couch. Now you're looking at your kitchen. Right here is your dining area, and it features this massive island in the middle. They extended it to a breakfast bar. Very convenient to serve meals. So this kitchen features the stainless steel appliances, double oven. The refrigerator is part of an upgrade. You have the nice sink and the pull-out faucet. Love the backsplash. Very neat. Love the color of the cabinets. Again, this is a model home, so you can always change the color of the cabinets. Love the chef cooktop with 5 burners. Microwave over here. Let's see if this is a soft close. Not. I love that they extended the countertop, plenty of space. Now I'm going to show you guys the large walk-in pantry. Right here, plenty of space. And now I'm going to show you the primary bedroom right here. But before that, this is the laundry area. Right here, your smart paneling inside. The washer and dryer is not included. This is part of the upgrade. Right this side is your primary bedroom. Very spacious. Nice open window. They added this ceiling fan and also the 4 recessed light. Again, this is part of the upgrade. Now I'm going to show you guys the modern spa-like bathroom. Love the flooring. Right here is large shower area. Very modern tile. They also added 3 windows. Love the black material. And this dual sink vanity. Nice color of the cabinets. I'm going to show you the walk-in closet. This is part of an upgrade. But right here, there's plenty of space. They added 2 lights inside. Very nice. Love the drawers. Overall, this primary bedroom is very spacious. Now I'm going to show you guys the backyard. This is already landscaped. Normally, when you get the house, it comes with dirt. Plenty of space over here for entertaining family and friends. Get some fresh air, unwind after the day after work. I'm glad that they added the gate for security. And also outside, they added this ceiling fan, 3 ceiling fan. Okay. And also recessed lights. Plenty of space outdoor. Here, you see your AC on that side. Okay, you guys, this concludes our tour. Again, if you are interested of owning one of the homes in Dove Point, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. There's gonna be a quick move-in home around July, and there's gonna be incentives that they're going to give, provided you will choose their lender. Again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit subscribe, like, and share my video. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.